Hello everyone! Welcome to Williams Bay, Wisconsin. Yes, ayan. This is the lovely home of my uncle and my ninang. Ayan. So nice here, so green. Oh, eto. This is how the environment is. So pretty. Ito yung likod. Yan, ito. Maraming peacock dyan kanina at saka may deer na tumatakbo-takbo kanina nakita ko. So pretty. Yan.
Oh, squirrel! Squirrel!
Yeah, come. Come.
Can I go closer? I think it'll chase me if I go closer.
Baka. Yes, hi everyone. So this is our Williams Bay sa market. So nandito kami ngayon at nag-iikot-ikot. At sa kabila ay makikita mo that side is the lake, Williams Bay Lake. So marami pa. Let's see.
I have no scissors. You want to show me
Sa pelikula ko lang to napapanood dati. Ngayon, here na. Wow. Look at the community over here. Welcome to Williams Bay.
You know what, Kira? I love those. Look at the dog. She will run.
Yeah.
Ini Friday pagkapang weekend no, nabukas.
Oh, ayan.
They're desperate.
May mga bayad kaya sila dyan pag nag...
Meron nga, bumawal lang. Bukas chicken roll.
Chicken. Ngayon ay pork and spices.
Ano na po yan, hanggang gabi na.
Mm. Hemstock Farms. Ah, nakswing ah. Saan tayo? Ah, ang sarap lumublob, no?
Yeah.
Oh, may mga ducks pa.
Here.
Mm. Shoreland Restoration Environmental Consulting, Williams Bay Geneva Lake Environmental Agency. Oh, yan. Oh, dito ka na anak, maligo ka na. Oh.
The water smells salty.
Ah, ang sarap lumublob, no?
Yeah.
Oh, may mga ducks pa.
Here.
Mm. Shoreland Restoration Environmental Consulting, Williams Bay Geneva Lake Environmental Agency. Oh, yan. Oh, dito ka na anak, maligo ka na. Oh.
The water smells salty.
Yes, yes, we are here going to Geneva Lake.
Pwede ba tayo naman? Bawal yan.
Bawal. Vacation rental. Ayun.